Suppliers, burgers, also.
You can imagine that's
Sorry, you couldn't make it look like that. I guess it's by gelatin. Yes,
did some cattle raise in New Zealand to West.
And the total value of this product is a little more than $70,000. I think about 70,000. How many pieces? 750 pieces of this solar kits that's going to energize a number of homes that are in need for light at the moment. And on behalf of the Prime Minister, I'd like to thank company Synergize for the very kind and generous offer to the government of Fiji, and we are very grateful to them for coming at this time of need, and we look forward that we're able to assist those that are in need at the moment.